Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 24th release update for the S/4HANA Public Cloud. My name is Thijs and I'm a SAP S/4HANA expert at Flexso, and I'm here together with Lotte.
Hello, everybody. My name is Lotte, and I'm a professional service expert at Flexso.
So today we're going to take you to some of the most important updates for the public cloud in the 24.02 release. On the areas of finance and professional services, starting with some of the most important updates around apps, which apps will be deprecated, which apps are new. Starting with finance, some of the most important updates have been around the asset accounting apps, where the old apps are being replaced with new Fiori apps by SAP. We see this mostly on the acquisition side, where a number of apps will be replaced with the new post-asset acquisition app, and on the retirement side, where some of the retirement apps are replaced with the post-asset retirement app. Two other apps worth mentioning are the Make Company Code settings, which has been replaced with a new app with the same name, and also the Manage Journal Entries app is replaced with a new app. In the coming releases, the old apps will be removed from the system, so it's important to start using the new ones. Lotte, what updates do you have for us?
In professional services, the apps in the scope items resource management, basic resource management, and advanced resource management now have been deprecated this release, and they're also planned to be deleted in 2025. And the replacement apps, they are present in SAP Cloud for Projects, which is a solution existing in the SAP Business Technology Platform. And therefore, we encourage all customers currently using resource management in professional services to move to this new solution. And as for resource management in professional services, Cloud for Project, it will also help you with planning all the resources on your projects, so you can spend less time and effort on staffing. It helps you to find the perfect resource fit for your project with skill and availability-based matching.
That's some good updates. Some of the most important new functionalities in the public cloud coming with the 24.02 release on the side of finance. That is the new ledger for group valuation, which allows you to automatically eliminate intercompany transactions. So besides your legal reporting in S/4HANA, you also now have a possibility for group reporting without the intercompany transactions. This update is only available for new implementations of the public cloud, not for existing ones. And one example to give is the intercompany sales process, where on the invoice side, adjustment postings are made in your group ledger, eliminating the intercompany profits, and on the goods issue side, a separate costing for your goods is used at group level valuation, also eliminating any intercompany markups. Another update is made to the sales order processing, where you can now use profit center substitution. So a material is assigned to a profit center, but maybe on the sales side, you want to have a different profit center assigned. That is now possible by creating a substitution rule, where you create a set of conditions detailing if a sales order falls within that within those conditions, we can automatically replace the profit center on the postings made in financial accounting. So first we set some conditions. In this example, we have the plant and the product group, based on which we determine which profit center to be used in the postings. So after setting the conditions, we determine the profit center to be used. And then you will see in the postings, both the goods issue posting as well as the invoice posting, that the profit center determined here is also used in your posting. So after activating the rule, it will be available, and then when you make postings from your sales order processing, you will see that the new profit center is used. This is a very useful update because often on your purchasing side, you use different profit centers than you use on your sales side. Another important update is the new Display Journal Entries app. This allows you to view your journal entries from one app instead of having to move to different apps. You have all your information available, both the entry view and the ledger view, the different ledgers, your different currencies. You can open a document flow where you can see the connection between your journal entries and your other documents, and you can open a T account view for your journal entry. But it's also possible from this app to select multiple journal entries and move from to a T account view there, where you can then analyze the different journal entries and how they interlink in those apps. Lotte, I believe you also have an update on the professional services side?
Yes, correct. In professional services, it's now possible to create preliminary billing documents for down payments. So in the Manage Project Billing app, you can create a billing request for down payments. And then from the Create Preliminary Billing Documents app, it's possible to create a preliminary billing document for this down payment as well. And as you can imagine, this functionality will help with the accuracy of your documents and will avoid reworking of posted documents.
It's a very useful update. Then we have some other updates that we would like to share with you that are very useful as well. On the finance side, in settlement management, it's finally possible to also have the output triggered towards an email instead of only a hard copy. And the first step, SAP has taken a first step towards full CO2 reporting with the universal component breakdown. This is simply an extra ledger created in SAP where you can record the CO2 impact of your products that will then later allow you to use that in your reporting towards the outside world, and where you can easily report on your CO2 impact. I believe you also have an update on the professional services.
Yes, there's. So in professional services, we added some new insight in the project control app for professional services. So now you have a changelog overview of all the status changes that were made on the project. Then also on the billing tab, it's now possible to see all billing documents and open them in PDF as well. And besides the general tab and the billing tab that were already present, we now added the staffing tab and the timesheeting tab. So it's possible to see which resources are requested for the project and also how many hours were already confirmed, as well as see the planned hours for resources and also the amounts timesheeted. So this makes it easy to manage working hours so that you don't overspend on your project.
Oh, that offers a lot more insights in projects. This was, in short, the highlights for the new release for finance and professional services. Please also check out our other videos for the other modules in SAP. You can find these on our website or on YouTube.
Yeah, and on our release page, we offer all the latest insights on releases, so make sure to visit this one as well. And follow us, Flexso, on LinkedIn for company updates, customer cases, innovation topics. We have a lot to offer. So thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you very much. We hope to see you again in the next update.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.